everybody, welcome to the Team Wezo channel. Today's video is gonna be unboxing. We're gonna do unboxing. So what are we going to unbox today is an air fryer, guys. So we've decided, Mike and I decided to buy one because most of our friends, I see the moms at school, they've been saying good things about air fryer, and some of my friends also are, have this air fryer. So we might as well get one. And there are benefits of having one. That's why we decided to get one. So we bought this at Target in Lake Geneva. And this one is the brand is Ninja, guys, Ninja air fryer. So they're supposed to be very good, one of the best air fryer that you can find. We actually wanted the other one, the $229, but they're out of stock. We wanted that one because we wanted the $229, right?
Something like that.
Yeah, because it's like all in one. It was all in one.
No, you didn't want that one. You
Unboxing now. Unbox. We need the scissors. Unboxing. Ninja air fryer. The model is Max XL. This is the model, right? Ninja air fryer Max XL.
Yep.
Yep. It's the model. So we can unbox it. Yeah. Maximum extra large. Okay.
You make beef jerky.
Yep, we can make beef jerky. You can bake
Potato chips.
buffalo wings. That's what we wanted to do actually today. That's
75% less fat than things.
So everybody wants to be healthy. So if you have the option to be healthy, why not? Why might as well do it? Healthier.
Yeah.
Healthier way of cooking.
Yeah, if you want to eat fried food and be healthy.
I had a friend from Thailand that student. She was a teacher, intern teacher, English teacher at Watutan. And then she said like, oh, I'm not buying any. I'm just gonna over voice it. I shouldn't have said that. Alright, air fryer. Okay. I don't want to drop it. You want to come on here? Ah. Yeah. There you go. Air fryer. Can you unbox it, Daddy, so I can take a better video?
Package something and make it look like there's a lot of stuff in there. Like a bag of potato chips is a perfect example. And then they fill the bag halfway. So I was expecting something a little bit smaller. It's like a pretty. It's not too heavy. It's also not light. Not too bad. Lighter than a microwave. Let's see anything else in the box. Nope. Some useful tips. The 450-degree Fahrenheit is best for pre-packaged frozen foods. The best results reduce cook times
And try opening it so we can show the
Wait, what? For best results, reduce cook times and shake the food often. Refer to Max Crisp cooking chart in the quick start guide for recommended cook times. So, I guess this would work faster than like an oven, because it says
Can you try and open it and show me?
for best results. Oh, it's taped.
It's taped.
For best results, reduce the cook time, which to me implies that you don't need to cook it in the air fryer for as long as you would in the oven.
Yep.
And shake the food often, meaning you might get a more all-around cook. I don't really know. I mean, find out for trying frozen foods. Not really sure how. You said your friends have said positive things about these? Yeah, that's why I wasn't against it. And she really wanted one of these, so I said, okay. My advice was to get something decent. So I said, instead of getting like the cheap model, may as well get something decent, Plus its ability to cook food quickly, that can come in handy because my son does soccer and, you don't want to like have to stress and stuff. It's nice to just get food prepared quickly so you can still eat at home, which saves a lot of money, but being able to do so quickly. So this is the interior.
Can you show it here? Let me see.
Is that a problem?
What?
The only thing I'm gonna say is like, oh, okay.
What's
It's
that?
not terrible. There were a lot of scratch marks on the inside here, but they're not really scratch marks. I'm just using my finger here, and it looks like it's coming off. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, that was my only complaint, but it's not really too bad. I thought they were scratches, in which case I would have returned it. There were some dust marks in here.
They're just dust.
But it's just coming off with the wipe of my finger.
Ninja air fryer.
Right?
Yeah.
That's coming off, right?
Yeah.
Even that one?
Up. Bake so. So we have to have a round pan if you want to bake, because
Yeah, you wouldn't be able to fit huge ones in there.
nah, the pizza you can.
But
What is this? Oh, this is where the air comes.
yeah, it would be, I guess.
So they blow.
I'm not sure how the device works. I would imagine it doesn't look like anything can come down from here. I'm not sure. I'm sure it's in an instruction manual or something.
There.
So yeah,
it
just
is.
be very careful with this, I guess. Put that in carefully. But it looks okay.
Do not place appliances on hot surfaces near a hot gas or electric burner, in a heated oven or a stove top. Okay, we can't put it.
Near a hot gas or electric burner, in a heated oven, or on a stove top. Define near. But I think we got enough space to kind of spread it out
The counter is good. So we put it here. This is how they do it.
I never done it. And it looks like there's something up here too. I don't know what this is, but never used one before. Oh, so here, air frying tips and tricks. I mean, it looks like it tells you how to get started. Max Crisp. Oh, okay.
Can you give me that box so we
shake
can
or toss? So for best results, frequently shake your food or toss it with silicone tipped tongs to get it as crispy as you like. So you can shake it around or toss it with silicone tipped tongs. The crisper plate promotes overall browning. We recommend it, and we recommend using it every time you air fry. Okay. So they've got some different ones here. Bake, air broil, best for roasted vegetables and meats, best for fish and steaks. So you can broil your steak and fish.
Can you give me the box so I can take a video?
The only thing is, yeah. I wonder if this is like decent for a family of 4. That's the only thing. I mean, you know.